Okay, hello everyone and welcome to our Learning Hour webinar. I'm Nafis and I'm excited for your host today. So today we have our expert trainer, Mr. Iskandar, and he will be sharing a very interesting topic about AI automation in social media marketing. So without further ado, I pass this floor to Mr. Iskandar.
Hi, thank you so much, Nafis and Excel Academy, for inviting me over to this session. Hello, everyone, and I'm very happy to share with you certain inputs on AI automation for social media marketing. And before we start, I would like to share my screen so that everyone can see slides. Yeah, give me a moment here. Okay, right, Nafis, just checking with you. Can you see my slides over here?
Yes, can
Okay. All
automation. All
right,
right.
thank you, thank you. All right, so hello everyone. I'll be touching some points on AI automation in media marketing, and this session will be plus minus at around 45 to 1 hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour. Alright, so before we start, I would like to first introduce myself. The name is Iskandar Daniel, a certified HRD clerk and also JPK trainer, certified Google and Microsoft advertiser. And these are some of my clients that I've worked with. So it includes MDEC, SME Corp, and few other agencies, including Polytechnic Malaysia. Yeah, and the core of my training would be on the social digital marketing and also business development. So just to share with you, a part of being a trainer is just a part-time kind of job, right? So I'm a full-fledged entrepreneur, being in multiple industries that includes healthcare, right? I own two clinics, and also automotive. There's I own a headlamp and also rim restoration workshop and few other businesses as well. So whatever that I'll be sharing with you is a part of my uh, daily routine, whereby I need to run marketings for each of my business business organization. Yeah. So let us start. Okay, we'll go with the boring part first, the theoretical part, before I'll move on and share with you all the tools or some of the important tools that can be used in automating your social media marketing. So, utilizing this artificial intelligence (AI), okay, for automation in the use case of social media marketing can be focused on a few marketing activities. Okay, we are not looking at automating every single processes that is involved, but we are looking at touching up the few of the processes individually, okay, that can be automated. Yeah, that can be automated. So a part of these activities involves advertising, creative, and copy, meaning that you generate the copywriting. Yeah, so you see here over here copywriting assistance. So we do have few AI tools that is in the market that can help you, that can assist you to provide you with the assistant in writing your content, your ad copy, your blog post, anything that you ask for, they can write it for you. Okay, and apart from that, there are also tools that can help you to generate images that can be used as a part of your advertisement or marketing collaterals, such as posters. Yeah. So let's move on to the first one. Okay. The first one would be Flick. Right. So Flick is is one of the AI tool that can help you to generate content ideas in few seconds. And not only that, these content ideas can be break down into multiple points so that you can have it like say we have a 30-day schedule, right? So you put in one content idea and then they can break it down into multiple points that can be set for each of the particular days. Yeah. And apart from that, Flick also is used to for you to schedule your post. Yeah. Okay. So when you are using Flick, right? When you are using Flick, you can use if I'm not mistaken, it's only limited to Facebook and Instagram, but you can go up to, I think, somewhere around 10 or 12 accounts at one time. So if you are a company that has multiple business lines, okay, say if you're coming from Nestle, then you have Milo, you have Nescafe, and so on, right? You have like multiple business lines of products, okay, and you have multiple pages for each of the products. Then you can use Click to actually post it, okay, schedule the post, right, and generate the ideas for each of the business lines, okay, within just few seconds and clicks, right? So we wouldn't touch much on Flick, okay, but we will touch on other tools, okay, that I can show you uh, practically or hands-on later on. Okay, so Flicks, the price starts from pound sterling 14, all right, 14 pound per month, and I think it goes up to 39 pound, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, right? So next would be ChatGPT. So for most of us in Malaysia, we know ChatGPT. We began to know ChatGPT for the past, I think, for the past 6 months, and ChatGPT is like one of the best AI tools, or maybe a gift from God, okay, to actually ease our life, not only for business, okay, but also for our studies and also for our life. Yeah. So you see, ChatGPT is actually a multi-purpose AI tool. Okay. So in terms of social media marketing, how it can help you is that it can help you to generate keynotes, talking points, ideas, write-ups, copywriting, blog posts, and also slides or pitch or deck. Yeah, whatever we call it. All right. Sometimes you're just looking at how social media marketing is focused towards advertising, yeah, such as Facebook ads or Twitter ads or Instagram ads. But we often forget that maybe um, live feature, okay, or pre-recorded videos is a part of social media marketing as well. So I've seen a lot of influencers lately when they are out of ideas in terms of generating content for their personal TikTok or for their business TikTok. Okay, they turn to Chat GPT to produce more ideas so that they can generate more contents to have or to capture that momentum of theirs from the previous FYPs and so on. So if you see, right, when you are creating contents, okay, and you have one idea for the content, and then you need to generate the script for that particular content idea. So the whole process of creating the content and the script would take you plus minus, I think, somewhere around 4 hours or even more than that. So with ChatGPT, you can actually scale it down to maybe a few minutes of work to generate the whole idea up until the script. Okay. However, the script might be too formal that you need to involve personally to change it and tone it according to what your character is in your particular social media. Okay. And ChatGPT, okay, just for your information, ChatGPT is actually an engine, and most of the AI tools outside there, Jasper or other AI tools, okay, they might use ChatGPT engine as their core of their AI tools. So hence, rather than looking at this particular AI tools, okay, we might as well, you know, focus it directly to ChatGPT. Okay, so for ChatGPT, there are two version. The first one is a free version, and the second one is the plus version, whereby you need to pay USD 20, okay, for per month lah, right? So later on, I'll share with you what are the benefits of using ChatGPT Plus. Okay, maybe you will have some insights on how it can help you not only to ease your business but also your life as well, right? Next would be Mid Journey. Okay, if we are talking about creating or generating copy or writings, we might turn out to ChatGPT. However, there is another section of AI tools that can actually help you in terms of generating images for social media marketing. Okay, so Midjourney is one of the best image generation AI tool that can be used. Okay, apart from Midjourney, we also have DALL-E 2. Okay, DALL-E 2, which is also a part of the I think it is actually under the same company of ChatGPT. Okay, then we also have Stable Diffusion, right? But among these three AI tool for image generation, Midjourney comes out the best, right? So how do we use Midjourney? Midjourney can be used to generate whatever images that you want based on your prompt. So once you prompt, and then it will give you uh, some image. Uh, I would say they would produce some images, okay, and then these images can then be downloaded and uploaded to your social media, or if you want to, you can remove the background and put it inside of your Canva, okay, to just enhance more visual feasibility. Yeah, for these standout features of Midjourney compared to DALL-E 2 and also Stable Diffusion, when you compare them, I would say side by side, you can see that actually Midjourney will produce a more visually stunning and also appealing images. Okay, it's just like it will the images that is produced, the images that are produced will uh, be beyond our expectations. Okay, and it is just from $8 per month, which is if in MYR would be somewhere around 40 ringgit plus minus. Okay, right? And the last one would be DeepL. So I kind of like DeepL as well. Okay, particularly because my ad copy is translated to when I do my marketing, right, when I'm targeting Chinese or Indians, for example. Okay, and one of my business being in Indonesia as well. So DeepL will help me to translate whatever the copy I have in English or in Malay to be in other languages. Okay, and sometimes we produce a storyline, and that's a document of it, maybe a 2-page PDF or 3-page PDF. And I found out that DeepL, you can actually upload the document, and then they can translate the whole document for you. Okay, uh, right? And it's only from Sing dollar 8.74. It's quite cheap. Yeah. So these four tools, if you see from the first one, Flick, ChatGPT, Midjourney, and also DeepL, are the four main tools that I've been using to automate my marketing activities. Okay, right? And these are all the I would say not considered as all, but these are the main tools that can actually help you to escalate and enhance your social media marketing productivity. Okay, and a part of that, you can save a lot of time. Okay, rather than not only time but also resources. Okay, when you use this AI automation, I've met a lot of people. They asking me, is this a are these AI tool, they are free or they are paid? Okay, one thing for sure is that most of them you need to pay for it. But when you compare Sing dollar 8, okay, 8 Sing dollar, and then 8 USD, 20 USD, and 14 pounds. Okay, it is actually not that much of resources spent on this AI automation. Okay, and if you compare with getting another person who is highly skilled, okay, let's take an example for DeepL. Yeah, okay, it's only 8.74 Sing dollars. Okay, And if you tend to hire someone who has the capability to translate, okay, from English or Malay to any other languages, it might cost you more than $8, right? So it saves you a lot of time and resources, and your team would be more efficient in terms of producing a better result for your social media marketing. So I will now go to ChatGPT, right? So you see over here, this is ChatGPT Plus, okay, and I'll be using GPT-4, whereby it's only applicable for those who have subscribed ChatGPT Plus. Okay, we also have the free version of ChatGPT, which only relies on GPT 3.5, but again, the accuracy and the understanding of the AI is not up to the level of GPT-4. Okay, so I'll be using default first before I touch on the plugins and code interpreter, right? Now, ladies and gentlemen, right, before we move into the application of how ChatGPT can help your social media marketing, okay, let me show you one of its capabilities for those who are still single. Okay, so let us try and produce a love letter. Okay, so I'll prompt, okay, please write me a love letter, okay, for a girl named, right, let's take a name. Okay, I'll just put in my wife's name lah. Okay, I think it would be much more safer for me. Okay, right. So the art of prompting is not to prompt this way. You need to touch Chat GPT. You need to um, imagine that Chat GPT is like your personal assistant, and you can customize it according to what you want. Okay, rather than ask ChatGPT to just write a love letter, you need to specify what kind of tone, okay, or elements inside the love letter, right? Okay, and this framework, okay, I wouldn't say framework, but this art of prompting is applicable not only for this love letter prompting, but also for other kind of prompting. For example, your ad copywriting. Okay, so now I'm going to put in some elements over this love letter. Okay, make sure you include, okay, elements involving social media, as she is a digital marketer. Okay, now I'm going to set a tone. Okay, make it humorous, right? Elements, make it humorous, right? And funny to capture her heart. Okay, so now, ladies and gentlemen, let us prompt this together, right? So we have to wait for a while, and ChatGPT is going to write for you. Okay, right. Okay, great. So let us see if ChatGPT complies to what we have prompted. Okay, so dear Nurul Ain, once upon a tweet, okay, in a land dominated by Facebook and Instagram algorithms, okay, I found myself lost in the vast sea of social media. Then, like a strategically placed Google ad, there you were right at the top of my feed. Every pixel, okay, of your picture was worth much more than 1,000 words. I must admit, Nurul Ain, scrolling through your post has given me more joy than discovering a perfectly optimized, okay, website or getting a retweet from a celebrity. Trust me, in our digital world, that's saying something. Your wit on Twitter is sharper than a YouTube cat's claws, and the way you engage with your audience. Okay, let's just say even LinkedIn influencers. Okay, so see blah 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 blah. So come up to here. So here's my proposal. What if just like A/B testing, we tried you and me testing? Okay, so it complies to what we want. We are writing a love letter, element of um, digital marketing or social media, and then we have put in the tone as well. Okay, so that is just an example, but now let us prompt something new that has to do something with social media marketing, right? So ladies and gentlemen, I'll be using code interpreter, okay? And just for your information, code interpreter, you can upload any PDF to ChatGPT and you can ask it to read through, yeah, read through the PDF and then extract or scraping the points here so that you can use it for your ad copywriting. Okay, so let's try to upload one of the file. Okay, let's say we want to take this. Okay, let's see, adopting a digital transformation strategy. Okay, I'll take one journal over here. Okay, now I'm going to ask it to read it. Okay, please read it thoroughly. I need to use some points here as a part of my copywriting. Reply okay if you understand. Okay, so let's try and from this. Right, give it a moment. Okay, it is reading the PDF right now. Yeah, so it comes back with some of the points that it has scraped from the PDF. Okay, right, so now, right, I've put in the paper, okay, the journal inside this PDF, and I wanted to use some of the points from the PDF to support my copywriting. Okay, so I will now prompt, okay, I'll make another prompt to make sure that ChatGPT produce a good copywriting, but with some elements of the PDF itself, so that I can use it for my copywriting. Okay, so let's say, okay, I am a business consultant, okay, right, for digital marketing. Okay, now I would like you to help me produce a copywriting for Facebook ads, right? I will use one of the framework, okay, so that uh, it can help me to make sure that ChatGPT will give me a relevant answer according to the context that I want. Yeah, okay. So let's try and see the act as, yeah, act as, act as a comedian who understands digital marketing and transformation. Okay, produce a copywriting not too long with some, right, points from the PDF in a funny tone, right? So let's see how it turns out. Okay, ever tried regenerating your business network while sipping on Italian wine? No. Well, you're probably not using digital transformation right. Introducing our new strategy inspired by an Italian business network in the wine sector. Okay, so basically the paper is about uh, wine industry. Yeah, yes, you read that right. And no, we didn't have too much wine before writing this. Why stick to business as usual when you can digitalize, revitalize, and maybe even romanticize if you're into the Italian wine vibe, your business at work. So come on over, let's toast to quality, social responsibility, blah 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 blah. Okay, but a lot of people do not understand that actually you don't need to manually translate this copywriting into other language. Okay, you can also ask ChatGPT to help you translate it. Yeah. So let's translate this. Okay. However, yeah, disclaimer. However, when you ask ChatGPT to translate it into Malay or Bahasa Malaysia, sometimes you will get a part of Bahasa Indonesia as well. Okay. So let's translate this together. Yeah. Let's translate this into Bahasa Melayu modern. Okay. Manglish. Right. Jom. Okay. Alright. Nampak tak? What it can help you is it can help you to translate as well. Okay. But, okay, this translation is a bit boring in terms of it looks too formal, right? Pernah cuba memperbaharui rangkaian bisnes anda sambil menikmati wine Itali? Boring kan? So usually when I'm at the level of maximum stress and ChatGPT just doesn't like, I mean, they just doesn't seem to work as the way that I want. I want it to be like, a more relaxed tone. Yeah. Bahasa, penggunaan bahasa yang tak heavy. What I'll do is that I just put this. Skema sangat ni. Okay. Ubah please. Okay. This is the way that I prompt lah. Okay. It is up to you because how I utilize ChatGPT is that I make sure that ChatGPT is like my personal assistant. It's like you are talking to another human. Okay, nampak tak? Okay, bila I cakap skema sangat ni, ubah please. Then, weh, pernah tak upgrade business sambil minum wine Italy? Tak pernah? Aduh bro, kau mesti tak catch up dengan zaman digital kita ni. Nampak tak? Okay, so these are the things that people don't know ChatGPT can do. Kan? Okay, orang ingat, oh, we prompt in ChatGPT will get this formal and then copy paste masuk dalam, or then pening kepala, how do we change this into a better wording, particularly in Bahasa Melayu, because when you translate anything from English to Malay, it seems a bit disconnected, disjointed, and boring, kan? Right? But it is what it is. I have shown you how it goes from this schema punya tone, okay, into this a more, I would say, the current Malay that we are using in communication. Okay, right? So let us try and change it a little bit. Okay, change it a little bit. I'll from a new one. Okay, and let's say I'll just help Excel Academy for their copywriting. Okay, right? I saw just now before the class started. There's actually Microsoft Excel training, kan? Okay, so I would like ChatGPT to help me produce an even better copywriting. Okay, and how do I prompt this? Is that I'm going to use one of the framework called as ask before answer prompting. Okay, so first I need to set the perimeter. Okay, I need to set the perimeter, right? What am I going to do? Okay, or what am I going to uh, ask ChatGPT to run? Okay, so I need you to produce and effective copy writing on Microsoft Excel training that will be held on, say, 14th September. 5 days in, say, Grand Baroka Hotel. Okay, right? So I'm going to input my framework right now. Okay, I need you to help me. Okay, I need you to help me ask any questions before you start to produce the copywriting. Okay, reply okay if you understand. Okay, I like to put reply okay if you understand so that I set the perimeter and I do not want ChatGPT to directly produce any kind of work or task. Okay, I would like to put a buffer over there so that I can give another enhanced or additional instruction. Okay, so I'm going to write this. Okay, and you see over here, okay, before I craft the copywriting for the Microsoft Excel training, I'd like to gather some additional information. Okay, one, objective of the training, target audience, instructor, okay, training format, duration, fees, inclusion, certification, sign up, registration, contact information, okay, USP. So now, let us just take somewhat around 5 minutes for us to do this, okay, before we move on to another AI tool that I'll be sharing with you, yeah, uh, to generate image. Okay, so I'm going to answer this. Okay, so number one, they are asked me for objective. Yeah, they asked me for objective of the training. Okay, so I just put all from basic to advanced. Yeah, right. Two, target audience. Right. I would say working adults. Three, Puan Adila Diana. Right. Former uh, Excel expert. Okay. Four, training format would be hands-on, physical, right? Five, 5 days, 8 hours. Six fees here, okay, RM 2788 for example. Seven, lunch provided. Okay, eight, certification, UTM, University Teknologi Malaysia. Contoh saja. Okay, professional cert, yeah, professional certification. Okay, WhatsApp. Okay, 10, let's put my number first. Okay, my number. And 11, unique selling point. This would be critical. You need to input the unique selling point for your program. Okay, say free online video course, video courses, Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. Okay, so let's run this. Yeah, here's a draft of a draft copywriting for the Microsoft Excel training. Okay, right. Okay, so now again, translate this into Malay. This into bahasa Melayu modern. Jangan skema, okay? Right? Okay, right? So these are the results that you can get from generating in ChatGPT. Okay, so Excel Academy, you can use this here. Okay, ambil je, copy. Okay, okay. Next, I will be showing you, okay, two tools that can be used. Okay, and they are, okay, this one can be used for generating images. Okay, generating images. Oops, no, sorry. This one, AI leads, yeah, AI leads. Okay, AI Leaves is actually a Malaysian company punya product. It is still in beta testing, but you can use it. Okay, I'll just show you. Right, we have dashboard, we have documents over here that you can need. Okay, and then there is AI writer, okay, that can also help you to produce copywriting. AI image pun sama. Okay, you boleh generate image, right? And then you ada AI chat. Okay, so AI chat ni, I think this is still under beta testing, but we what AI Leaps has been doing is actually it help uh, you to specify your career or your business line, your industry, so that whatever that you are asking for this AI, it can help you to be in a relevant context of that industry. Okay, so let us just try with one image. Okay, right. So let's go with, I need a picture of rose. Okay, roses in an artistic, okay, in a vase. Okay, and then I'll go towards the advanced setting, right? Art style, I want it to be cyberpunk. Lighting style would be backlight, and then mood would be calm. Okay, let's ask it to run two number of images and generate this. Okay, it will take some time for it to generate. So, ladies and gentlemen, just to share with you, AI Mix is actually the product that my company is developing. It is ready for beta testing, but yet to be fully fledged AI tool that can be used for images. However, the AI writing, I would say, is at 95%. Okay, you can use it lah. Okay, contohnya for the AI image, it can generate you image but not to the level yang sangat-sangat cantik. Okay, so tadi we have tried the backlight, so now let's go with the ambient. Okay, right. Okay, so kita generate lagi. Okay, tunggu dia settle. Okay, dia akan keluarlah gambar. Okay, so I nak buat dia ada cyberpunk neon lights and regenerate je lagi. Okay, so generate lah apa-apa yang you nak, you can just do it. Okay, ini adalah Malaysian made punya company, so boleh je guna pakai, tak ada masalah pun. Okay, later on you check dia harga dia berapa ya. So, ladies and gentlemen, dekat dalam AI Leads, what you can use apart from writing and image, dia ada chat juga. Chat ni adalah satu function macam you ada PA untuk help you, okay, in your particular industry. Lepas tu kita ada AI code, and then we have AI speech to text. Okay, speech to text ni nanti you can upload your speech, okay, whatever speech audio, okay, and it will give you the text. Yeah, okay. Right. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is what you get when you invest in AI tools, right? Previously, when we are doing copywriting, whenever that we need to develop a copywriting for our ad copy, in order for you to get a very powerful ad copy, you need to have, I mean, I don't know for others, but for me, it will take me like few hours. Okay, particularly because there is nothing that can help me as a foundation for me to start, kan? Okay, a draft or a sketch. But with chat gpt and other AI tools, you can actually make yourself save a lot of time. Okay, and if you consider time value for money as well, okay, your time is equals to money, then you will also save a lot of resources. Okay, so you will save time, resources, and also expertise when you use AI tools. Okay, we have seen how ChatGPT helped us, how Midjourney can help us, and also AI Leaps. Okay, you can explore this by yourself, right? However, before we go to FAQ session, just sharing with you, in order for you to use any of the plugins or code interpreter, okay, you need to subscribe to ChatGPT Plus, and that's the three dots button over here. Click here and click on the settings and beta features, click on plugins and code interpreter. Okay, and maybe for some of you who has been using Zapier, okay, you can automate the process from sending email to your client, okay, when you have the Zapier plugin installed in ChatGPT and you have subscribed to Zapier as well. Okay, so a lot of things can be done with AI automation. Okay, if you know how to play the cards well. Okay, so you see over here, we also have Zapier. Zapier. Eh? Tengok ni Zapier. Okay, right? So Zapier, integration with Zapier will help you to enhance even more than an individual marketing activities. But maybe we can explore this. Let's say if we have a 5 days training session later on, and maybe we can explore this in depth. Yeah. So before I end my session, I would like to open up for FAQ if that's okay. Right? Is there any questions from the audience? Are there any questions? Nafis, can you check it for me?
Okay, if you guys have any question, you may ask in the comment below. So far, we don't have Iskandar.
So far we don't have a. Okay. Maybe we can wait for a while since
Yeah,
maybe they are typing.
a minute or 2 minutes.
Boleh. Nak share prompting tapi itulah takut tak sempat pula. Tak apalah. Nantilah.
InsyaAllah ada lagi nanti.
Boleh, tak ada masalah.
Kalau ada soalan pasal prompting ni, cik.
Janganlah tanya pasal prompting hari ni. Boleh, boleh, boleh.
So far, orang cakap semua great je. Great input. Tak ada soalan.
Maybe sebab benda baru kan. Tengah proses the input. Okay. So hopefully lah,
Take time
hopefully
sikit.
take time sikit. Hopefully whatever that has been shared today, you can use it sebab not a lot of people know how to actually utilize ChatGPT to its full potential. So a lot of people know how to use it at just the surface level. So now, what I've just shown you is that how you can touch it to go to another level of utilizing ChatGPT lah.
Okay, so if there is no questions, thank you, Iskandar, for sharing about social media marketing using ChatGPT. So let me share you some of our training session in September. So we have Microsoft Excel for basic level, and then we have mastering interactive dashboard reporting with Power BI. Also, we have Microsoft Excel for intermediate and advanced level. And then we have this one SEO and SEM, search engine optimization and search engine marketing on also September. And then our last one, digital marketing masterclass. So that's all for today. Do get in touch with us if you're interested in enrolling one of these courses. Thank you all and have a good day.